Hey guys, it's me, Kaylee, and today I'm doing a Get Ready With Me bar mitzvah, and I am just showing you my dresses from Lily's, and my white cardigan is from Target, and I'm wearing my hair wet because I just took a shower, and why did I say wet? I mean natural, and now I'm just showing my earrings and got that from the Natural History Museum. Now I'm putting on loose foundation on my skin to make it a little bit more presentable because this is in the morning and I'm very tired, as you see from my under eye circles, but yeah, so yes. And I'm just putting that all around my face, even on my neck and under my eyes, just to make sure I get everything on my face. And yep. Now we are going to go to eyeshadow, and you see that it is intense, but it will mellow down in the end, as you can see later. And yep, now I'm going to put stuff into my crease to make it a little bit more defined. And now I'm going to put stuff in the center of my eye, and it's just a white shadow to open up my eyes and make them look more awake because I'm very sleepy. And this white eyeshadow will make me look a little bit more awake and not that sleepy. Now I'm putting in eyeliner. I'm just putting it on my top lash line, and then I'm going to put it on my waterline just a little bit, not too heavy for the morning because it is a morning service and mitzvah. Now I'm just putting on mascara, and I'm just doing, I don't know, I'm just doing that. Now I'm putting on blush and trying to make a good face, but it's not coming out that good. I'm just putting that on, make sure it looks more flesh. Now these awkward faces, okay. Now I'm showing you my eyes and how they look, because this is important because it doesn't look as heavy right now. Hopefully it doesn't. And that is it. Thanks for watching, and come again. Bye.